Let's divide 268 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 268. We're going to use the first digit, which is 2. This is our current partial. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check our work. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. We subtract 2 from our partial 2, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. Awesome job, you're doing fantastic. We've got the first digit of our answer. Let's move on to the next digit. Next up, we bring down the next digit, 6, to join our remainder. Our new partial is 6. Now let's tackle this step. How many times does 2 go into 6? You got it 3 times. Time to multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Perfect. Subtracting 6 from our partial 6 leaves us with 0. Another win. Woohoo, you're crushing it. Keep that amazing energy up. We've got the next digit of our answer. Ready for the last one? Last but not least, we bring down the final digit, 8. Our last partial is 8. Here we go. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It's 4 times. Let's multiply to be sure. 4 times 2 is 8. Exactly. Subtract 8 from 8, and we get 0. We've reached the end with no remainder. You did it. That's the last digit. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. We've successfully divided 268 by 2. Your math stars. So, 268 divided by 2 equals 134. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 268 by 2, step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and you solved it like a superstar. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.